Mysterious animal behaviors. Number 1. Whales and dolphins sometimes carry their dead calves for weeks. Scientists debate whether this represents true mourning or something else. Number 2. Hundreds of elephants congregate around the bodies of dead matriarchs, touching the bones with their trunks in what appears to be mourning rituals. Number 3. Golden retrievers have been documented to detect cancer in humans with 90% accuracy. Scientists still don't understand exactly what they're smelling. Number 4. Migratory birds can navigate using Earth's magnetic field, quantum entanglement, and star positions, but scientists still debate the exact mechanism. Number 5. Squirrels perform elaborate fake burying routines when being watched, suggesting they have theory of mind to understand others can steal their food.